Hello everyone! Welcome to Lesson 8 of our QA course. I hope you've all mastered the product lifecycle from our last session. Understanding how specifications evolve is the key to creating a solid test plan. Did you review our last lesson? It's so helpful for today. Today, we're diving into the System Test Plan, or STP, template. This document is our blueprint for conducting comprehensive software system tests. The STP document outlines our strategy, methodology, and planning, providing a structured framework for planning and executing thorough quality tests. First, let's look at the document's purpose. It's about defining our framework, including databases, interfaces, and functional test topics. The STP defines our test plan, specifies procedures, compiles system interfaces, and breaks down our functional areas in a hierarchical manner. Now for the strategy. This is where we describe the types of tests, our plans for data and users, and the order of our work. The work method details how our strategy is implemented, resulting in a planned timeline for writing the STP, scenario planning, and execution. Next, we define scope and criteria. This is about what will be included in our planning and, just as importantly, what will not. We list included and excluded topics and define our approval criteria, ensuring we have a clear red line for system transfer. Our test topics involve a hierarchical breakdown of system functions. For example, we might divide deposits from withdrawals in a banking app. By defining main topics and breaking them into subtopics, we can plan the specific types of tests required for each functional area. Mapping interfaces and files is next. We compile every external and internal link, ensuring we understand the data flow completely. We document the descriptions, directions, and modes of operation for each interface, including links to old systems being converted. For batch processes and data, we map out everything that affects system activity behind the scenes and define our data strategy. Our plan identifies required files and how to determine data content, ensuring all batch processes are tested for accuracy. Finally, we summarize our execution requirements. This is about the specialized hardware and software we need to get the job done. A coverage table ensures every specification item is tested, while our hardware and software needs are clearly listed for execution. Great work today! In our next chapter, we'll dive deeper into specification analysis. Don't miss it. Remember to practice at home in your free time, join our community, and subscribe to our channel. Leave your feedback below. See you next time.